Hey friends, it's Mrs. Golding, and I am in your math packet. I'm working on page 7, problem number 1. I'm outside today. You might hear some kitties. Hopefully they'll just be meowing and not fighting. In this problem, we have a carnival, a school carnival, aren't those fun, by the way? I love those school carnivals. I like the duck one, where you pick up the duck and look underneath. Those are fun. The In this carnival, the tickets are being sold for different prices. So one ticket is 50 cents. 12 tickets is $5. Here's where I'm looking right here. 25 tickets are $10 and 50 tickets are $25. And on your packet, I know it's hard to see because this was in color and it didn't copy very well. 120 tickets are $50. So here's our question. Which amount of tickets offers the best deal? And we are to explain our thinking. And then the second question says, how would you suggest the students running the ticket booth modify or change the list of prices? So first of all, for the first question, there's one answer. But for the second question, there's many, many ways to think about it. All right, so toilet paper. What? Okay, so we're in this quarantine, right? And toilet paper is going like crazy. So I thought I would give you a little bit of insight into what's a good price for toilet paper because it's super hard to determine. Um, there's memes out there that say paper math is the hardest math. But here's kind of the thing, and your parents, grandma, whatever, they might be most interested in this because they're the ones spending the money. If you take down in the bottom corner, it's usually down here somewhere, down here in this little area, you take the total square feet of your toilet paper and you multiply that times 1.5 cents, 0.15. It'll give you a great price for toilet paper. So if you multiply here this Angel Soft and the square feet, not the number of sheets, but the total square feet, times 1.5 cents, and you get something. It looks like the price here is $10.49. If you get something that is more than that, then this is a good price. If you get something less than this $10.49, that's not a good price. Toilet paper math, yay. Okay, back to our problem. I like to organize my math, so I used a ratio table again as a way to organize our information. Again, it's just the same information you have. One ticket costs 50 cents, 12, 5, right? And so on. Now, to find the price per ticket, it's just thinking of this like a vinculum, right? So it's like a fraction. Every ratio is just a fraction, and every vinculum creates a division problem as well as a fraction. So I am going to take this right here and divide by 1. Well, we know that anything divided by 1 is itself, right? So one ticket, the price per ticket in that instance is 50 cents. This next one is $5 for 12 tickets. So we take 5 and divide it by 12. I am going to do it on calculator. Again, on paper, it would look like this. 5 divided by 12. Add your decimal, right? Annex is 0. Raise that decimal to the top shelf. 12 goes into 50 4 times. 12 times 4 is 48 with 2 left over, right? Annex another 0. 12 goes into 20 1 time, and that's 12 with 8 left over, right? 12 goes into 80. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 75. I think that's as good as I can do, right? Did I say 75? 6 times 1.